I don't know what his deal was, but I would try to sit there and accept what is, and every 2 seconds, while he's like imploding, his stomach is imploding next to me for like every single time we're sitting there, and it's driving me insane. I'm like, I know I'm supposed to be equanimous right now, but like I have a pet peeve about like people making weird noises with their mouth and shit. And so he would just burp and then make all these noises, and it was driving me insane. But eventually I like found my way through it. But then another gas story.